Ever wondered how industrial processes are automated? The secret is a programmable logic controller, or PLC. It's an industrial computer that oversees numerous tasks, especially in manufacturing, chemical, and radioactive processing facilities. It synchronizes machinery, optimizes processes, and manages data. A PLC handles assembly lines, controls temperatures, and supervises inputs. Based on preset logic, it performs control functions. This cycle of monitoring, processing, and executing is key to industry efficiency. So a PLC is a sturdy, smart tool that forms the backbone of many automated industrial systems. But how exactly does a PLC work? Let's break it down. A PLC, or programmable logic controller, is a digital powerhouse. Its key parts are the central processing unit, CPU, inputs, outputs, and the programming device. The CPU processes all data, inputs detect changes, and outputs respond to commands. The programming tool crafts instructions dictating PLC reactions. In a cycle, the reads inputs, the CPU processes them based on the program, and updates the outputs. Hence, a PLC reads, processes, and responds to changes in its environment, all based on a pre-programmed logic. With its complex workings, where to apply PLCs and why? PLCs, short for programmable logic controllers, are crucial in industrial automation, controlling assembly lines and overseeing packaging tasks. They regulate variables in various processes, from manufacturing to nuclear facilities. PLCs are reliable and flexible, able to be reprogrammed for different tasks. They assist in troubleshooting and are cost-effective, enhancing efficiency. Therefore, PLCs are not just versatile and adaptable, but also vital in enhancing efficiency and control in modern manufacturing and automation. Now that we've unraveled the intricacies of what PLCs are and how they work, let's delve into some real-world examples and the manufacturers behind them. Let's start with Allen Bradley PLCs from Rockwell Automation, renowned for their ruggedness. Next, we find Siemens PLCs in Europe, recognized for their high-tech features. In Asia, Mitsubishi Electric's Melsec series excel with fast processing. Lastly, Electric's Modicon PLCs stand out with solutions. These are just a few examples of the many PLCs available in the market, each with their unique features and advantages. Indeed, the world of PLCs is as diverse as it is fascinating,